Hey there, Saber fans. It's finally here, the Seeker. So excited. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, showing it off and giving you guys a little bit of tips and tricks on how to not damage your Saber right out of the box. So first things first, pull it out, remove the protective foam. Now I know what, first thing you want to do is just pull these things apart right away, but there's something you got to do first. In each box we have included an Allen key here. So I want you to locate these two screws. 1, 2. You're going to need to remove these screws to move the second ring into the open position, that is. My preference is the folded position, but it's seen both ways in the show, so whichever you prefer. So once we get the second one out of here, let's see, there we go. Now the second ring can move freely. So if you open it to the full position, the round, you can see there is some holes in here that you can align with the hole and put these screws back in, for example, and then that'll hold the position. If you want to remove the second half and just make it a half crescent, that is also an option. What you can do is remove those two screws I mentioned before, but also there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. You remove those and this ring opens up and you can just take that ring off if you only want the one. Personally, I think it looks best if you want just a half crescent to just leave it folded like so. There is 4 buttons, plunging buttons. This trigger actually works as a button if you were to install it, and we've got 3 more on this side. And then on each side we also have a retention screw here for the blades, in case you'd like to display yours with a blade. But that's the big thing. The big warning is make sure you address these 2 screws before you go ahead and just crank this thing open. Other than that, thanks for checking out the video. The Saber looks so good. So excited, it turned out so well. It's definitely worth the wait.